Today I'm going to talk about an herb called juhi and hernias. Juhi is the tangerine seed, and it's actually kind of illustrative of some of the way we think in Chinese medicine. There's a number of herbal substances that come from the tangerine. So, for example, chenpi is an herb that is commonly used in Chinese medicine. And this is the tangerine peel. It's the outer part of the tangerine. And chenpi is an herb that is known to help move the qi of the body. Helps to regulate the qi, and it especially acts on the lung and the spleen and stomach. Now, juhi is actually the tangerine seed, and it's the inner part of the tangerine and Juhi acts on the liver. And there's also some question about whether it acts on the kidney too, although it's known to definitely act on the liver. And so you can see while the outer part of the tangerine, the peel, acts more on the surface part, just like the peel of the tangerine is on the surface. So also its action in the body is on the surface. It goes to the lung, which controls the exterior and the lungs and the skin. And the seed goes into the interior to the liver, which is one of the deeper levels of the body. And so there's this correlation between the anatomy of the fruit and the anatomy of the person and how the particular portion of the fruit of the tangerine can affect different parts of the person based on where it comes from. And this is true for a lot of different herbal substances in Chinese medicine. Sometimes herbal substances that come from the more superficial part of the plant may affect more superficial areas of the body, while the parts that come from deeper in the plant or the root level may go to deeper parts of the body. It's not always 100% correlation, but oftentimes we see that in Chinese medicine. And so that's kind of an example in this case of the tangerine, where you have the tangerine peel, which is chenpi, and then you have the tangerine seed, which is juhi, and they go to different parts of the body. Now they both act to move the qi, or what we call regulate the qi. It's a function of promoting proper circulation within the body. One of the common things that happens in disease states is that the qi of the body gets stagnant. It's not able to move anymore, either due to low energy or blockages or trauma or other things that can happen. And so you have what we call stasis, where the qi is no longer moving. And this can cause all kinds of symptoms. It can cause pain, bloating, and specifically in the case of Juhi, one of the things that it helps to move the qi and treat is for hernias. So in Chinese medicine, one of the reasons that you can get hernias, whether they be inguinal hernias, abdominal hernias, umbilical hernias, one of the reasons that can happen is because of qi stasis. And so Juhi is an herb that actually especially goes to the liver to help promote qi movement in the liver and in the liver channels, the liver meridians, and it can help to treat hernias in this way. So it's been known and used in the Chinese medical literature for hernia treatment, and it's an excellent herb for that purpose. It's also known to help for testicular swelling, which may be related to inguinal hernias. And so this is an herb that is a good example of how different parts of the same plant or the same fruit or food may have different effects and how we think about it in Chinese medicine. So if this is something that affects you or you're interested in finding out more, you can reach out to us at HoustonAcupuncture.com, and we will see you next time.